Hi, you're watching part of a series on creating more accessible Word documents. This video demonstrates how to make headings more accessible. I can see my example document has headings, or does it? Let's investigate. I'm going to select the View ribbon, then I'm going to select the navigation pane checkbox. When it opens, the default setting shows the headings in my document. Wait, what? There are no headings showing in the navigation pane, so it's saying my document has no headings. How is that possible? Well, it turns out that in creating my example document, I didn't specify a heading format for the text. I just made it look like a heading by increasing the font size and making it bold. But Word doesn't recognize them as headings, and that means there's no way to navigate through this 20-page document by headings. It also means that the document is not accessible. A person with a disability using assistive technology has no way to navigate through the document by headings. Let's fix that. In my document, I select the text I want to make into a heading. First, I'm going to choose this text that looks like the title of the document. To make it a heading, I go to the Home ribbon, find the Styles group, then select the appropriate heading level. Heading 1 is typically used for the title of the document, so I'll select Heading Level 1. Heading 1 style is now highlighted, but the look of our title has changed. That's okay, because we can easily change it back to look like it did before we made it a heading. In my example, I go to the Home ribbon and select Centered Text. Then I change the font to 18 point. Now my title looks the same as before, but it still has the important Heading 1 style. I can change other text to headings in the same way. Highlight the text, look in the Styles group, select the heading level I want. In this case, I want the heading to be one level below the Heading 1 I just selected, so I'll select Heading 2. I like to use keyboard shortcuts. I can use them to set heading levels 1, 2, or 3. Let me show you an example. I place the cursor in the text. There's no need to highlight it. Then press Ctrl-Alt-3. You can see heading 3 is now highlighted in the Home ribbon. In a similar way, I would press Ctrl-Alt-1 or Ctrl-Alt-2 to create a heading level 1 or 2. Note that you can use these same heading techniques when creating a new document. It's not just for revising an existing document. This has been How to Make Headings More Accessible.